The most loyal communist in history was executed by the communists he served. It's 1956 Budapest, Hungary. A lifelong party member becomes prime minister during a revolution against Soviet control. Imre Nagy had served Stalin faithfully for decades. He believed in socialist ideals and communist brotherhood, but now he implements shocking reforms. Multi-party elections, press freedom, withdrawal from the Warsaw Pact. For 13 days, Hungary tastes freedom as he negotiates with Moscow. The people celebrate in the streets. But his communist credentials become his weakness. He trusts Soviet promises of dialogue because he's one of them. When Soviet tanks roll into Budapest, he takes refuge in the Yugoslav embassy. He believes his party loyalty will protect him. Soviet officials offer safe passage and he accepts, certain his communist brothers will spare him. They arrest him immediately. A secret trial follows 2 years later. The executioner's bullet ends a life spent serving the very system that destroys him. The most loyal communist who died for his loyalty was Imre Nagy.